How to remove duplicate images from folder. In this tutorial, we will guide you to remove duplicate images from a folder using Forensics Duplicate Remover tool. To install the Forensics Duplicate Remover tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the Forensics Duplicate Remover tool. To begin, click on the Proceed button in the middle of the screen. Click on the File Type Filter option. This filter allows users to scan for duplicate document, image, audio, video, and other options. For this tutorial, uncheck all the other options except for the image option. Click on the File Extension Filter option. This filter enables the user to find specific extension duplicate items. They can type their preferred multiple extensions separated by commas. For this tutorial, we'll choose image extensions such as JPEG, PNG, GIF. Let's also see other filter options. File Name Filter option enables the user to find duplicate images filtered by specific names separated by commas. Ignore File Filter option is capable of ignoring hidden and read-only images while scanning for duplicate images. Size Filter option finds and removes duplicate images according to preferred minimum and maximum size based on bytes, KB, MB, and GB. Select Location to scan for duplicate images. My Computer Scan Location option scans the whole systems for the duplicate images according to the filters applied. Local Drive Scan Location option scans all the local drives from the systems for the duplicate images. Local Drive C in this case. Select Drive and Folders Scan Location option scans all the selected drives and folders from the systems for the duplicate images. Click on Browse button to select folder or drive from within the system. Click Select Folder option in order to select the folder to scan for duplicate images. User can select multiple drives or folders to scan for duplicate images by clicking on Browse button. Click on Scan Duplicate button to initiate the scan process. A pop-up will appear on the screen indicating that the scan was completed. Click on OK. Software will automatically select duplicate images to remove them permanently. You can check or uncheck them to select images manually. User can also preview duplicate images in the software window by clicking on them. Click the Remove button to start deleting duplicate images. An output window will pop up indicating to use a licensed edition, so in order to remove duplicate images, users will have to purchase license to the software. By following this method, you can simply delete the duplicated images using Forensics Duplicate Remover software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.